What's up guys, it's Vice13, aka SLX Camper, aka Dylan as some of you may know me, and today I have an unboxing for you guys obviously, so yeah. Alright, I do have a mobile setup here with my camera phone. That's because, well, I brought my tripod, but then I left my DSLR at home, so that's kind of fail. So I kind of had this jank setup with my phone and tripod right now because I don't have the adapter. And also, I'm not home and the lighting isn't all that great, so it's kind of bad, so I'm kind of using the flash on my phone. So I did get this 630 watt Raidmax RX-630SS power supply, and it's kind of semi-modular. Alright, so this was $30, so I'm not expecting too much. And it's got a 135mm fan, a red switch in the back for the blue LEDs. So it's got 3 molex, motherboard power. It's also sleeved, which is pretty cool. 2x PCIe, 6x SATA, and sorry, that was the 4 CPU connector, and that's the 24-pin motherboard. So yeah. There's a 24-pin motherboard connector. It's got a 135mm fan and smart latch cable system, which I have no idea what that means. So I did unbox this already, and I didn't notice that I wasn't recording in 720p. So that's why it's already opened. So yeah. The back here, it's got a 1-year limited warranty, sleeve cabling, black, total power output of 630 watts. I believe it is a 2-rail system because the first rail is like 620 watts and then the second rail is like 10 watts or whatever. So yeah. Let's go ahead and open this up now for the second time. So it's got a bunch of sleeved cables right here, and it's not sleeved entirely to the end, but it is mostly sleeved, as you can kind of see right here. I don't know why it's not focusing, but the flash is also in the way, but you can see that how each individual cable is not entirely sleeved. It's got all those cables, and here's the one that connects to the back of your computer and to your wall outlet. And also, the only forms of cable management that come with this are the twisties that come in the cables, and there's like a little twisty that comes with the power supply itself, so that's about it. And inside it's got 4 silver instead of black screws and some silica gel for breakfast. Yeah, no, don't eat those. Alright, so inside here it's the power supply itself, and there's the blue 135mm LED fan. So on the back it's got the on off, the big red button for the blue LEDs on and off, big sticker on the side about what it does, and etc, etc. So it's got 22 amps on the 12-volt rail. And it's got 2 amps on the 5-volt rail, so 630 watts in total. Here's the big 135mm fan again, and here is your cable management that I was talking about, those cables that come with it. So that's what you get. So here's your 24-pin motherboard connector, your 4-floor CPU power connector, and here's the semi-modularity I was talking about, where it doesn't have those ports that you plug in. It's actually got cables with the plugs that you plug into, which is kind of weird. So it's got 6 of these, or 4 of these black 6-pin connectors and 1 red PCI connector. So let's go ahead and go through the cables. This is a 2x serial ATA connector. I believe that's another serial ATA connector. Here's your 6+2 PCIe power connector, and it's got 2 of those, so 2 in total. And I believe with these you can move those 2-pin connectors out of the way for a more clean look if you'd like, which is pretty nice actually. And it's got another 2x serial ATA connector, so that's 6 serial ATA cables, and it's got a 3x molex collector plus that little floppy connector, I believe. I'm thinking it's floppy, or maybe fan header or floppy. So it's got 4 pins, and I don't know who uses the floppy disk anymore, so yeah. and that's all it's got. It doesn't have any of those fancy quad, serial ATA, or triple connectors, so yeah, that's all it comes in. It should be enough for 630 watts. So yeah, that's about it for this video, guys. I will have this a review. So yeah, that's it, guys. Faz13 signing out.